Morning.
Sorry about the camera work. Okay.
Here's little Wincy. Unfortunately, we lost the other two triplets in the night. I think it's been so cold. Although we've had heat lamps on them, it's just, as well, them being premature, it's just been a bit of a struggle. So you may notice that she has a little coat on, which we've this is all thanks to Jim's mum, Caroline. She's knitted this one for Wincy, and we've been knitting these just for the little ones, really, because we've obviously, with the problems we've had, we've expected that we may have had some premature ones. So we've been knitting these, and I'm going to post a how-to video on YouTube of how to make these little coats. And if you want to make them, perhaps, then you can always give it a go yourselves. They are actually a pattern to make a little dog coat. So if you do have a little dog at home, you could make one for them. And perhaps little ones haven't learnt to knit, so that's another thing they could perhaps learn to do. So yeah, we're just going to give Wincy her milk because that's why she's so jiggly. We just warmed it up. Oh, bless her.
Explain that her mum's, because she's premature, her mum's got virtually no milk at the moment.
Yeah, her mum is really lacking in milk because she is so early. So until the milk starts to come down, we're just topping her up for now. She's pretty feisty, this one. She's now on just normal powdered milk, but like the other ones that we had the other day, we had to feed the powdered colostrum, which is the sort of the vital starter, really, for them. She had that all day yesterday, and then she's just on normal powdered milk today. So I have lots of lamb poo on me as well, which is nice. Yeah, she's surprising. Well, she's a lot stronger than her brothers were, really. So she's probably one of the strongest ones. I just love these little coats. And once we've finished feeding her, we had another set of triplets in the night. Unfortunately, we lost one as it was born, sort of coming backwards. It ingested a lot of fluid, and there was nothing we could do to try and get it. We tried to get it going, but it just wouldn't. So we've got two little triplets out of the three left. Oh, she's sneezing. You alright? Right. I think she's... Oh, yeah, her tummy's pretty full now. I'll stick her back in. Yeah, so we've got the two twins that are left to put into a pen. And I'll show you what we see in their pen. So if you have about 20 boxes or something to help pens, do not come to the hospital with them because that's all in lockdown. People come and pick them up if you can help. So, what we need in each pen, the first thing we do is, obviously, the pens need to be big enough for the mums, so we make sure that they've got a nice size. We've then got this, which is just line, which isn't very nice stuff to get on your hands or to breathe in. Oh, the little one's out again.
Sorry about that.
Yeah, so we put this on first, and this kills any bacteria or anything nasty that's on the floor, even though we've pressure washed all the concrete so it's nice and clean. So first of all, we'll put some straw in on top of the lime.
Yeah, sorry about the camera work. Unfortunately, Jim's at work today, so I'm having to stand in. Usually keep my distance from all this. Yeah.
you're making the bed for the lambs, they say that the thickness of the straw should be so that when the lamb's let down, you can't see its sort of legs and limbs. It should be nicely nested. So you like to make it nice and thick. Fluffing it up. Right. Okay, so straw's in. Next thing is water, so I'll put her water bucket in, ready to fill up later. And now all she needs is something to eat. So we'll get this is lucerne, which is a crop that we grow for baling out in the fields. Mainly feed it to the young stock, the cattle that the store cattle. It's a good source of protein. It's very high in protein, so it's nice for the ewes that have had twins and things. It keeps their milk flowing nicely. Right, so we will get the two little twins in. Do you want me to put that on?
Please, yeah.
Very sweet. So we've got a little boy and a little girl. Now we're going to carry them. This doesn't hurt them. We're carrying them like this so that the ewe follows them and keep them low to the ground, and she can smell that they're her lambs by them being this height off the floor. And they do a nice job of making a bit of a noise, so they keep cooling them up. They're in their new little home. Now I think, yeah, the little boy's the smaller one of the two. So we're going to stick a little jacket on him. This is one that Mum made. I've got one in progress that I've made, but I'm a little bit slower at knitting than Mum and Caroline. They're really easy to make, and as you can see, it just gives them a nice little coverage.
Pop them under that.
Just make sure that this one's got a pretty full tummy, but just make sure that the little boy's having plenty to drink. Or not. There we go.
I'll get the water for it.
There he is. Good boy. Yes, you're noisy too. Right, I'll keep you updated on these little ones, and when I finish her little coat, I will post that too. And I will, yeah, as I say, going to make a how-to video on how to knit these little jackets. If anyone fancies it, I'm sure we can organise some way of getting them to us, or to make them for your dogs and pets at home. All right, cheers guys.